Thank you for joining in this conversation around generations. We have the full spectrum of the three generations here. We have silent generationers, we have Gen Xers, and we have baby boomers with us today. And so I would love your perspective, and I'm looking at the list of core values and attributes for your generation. What do you feel like really does represent your generation?
I feel that the people in my generation are really activists and care deeply about not just our country, but about our civilization. I feel that they want to make this a better world, that they have the patriotism and the love of country to embrace the entire global community. For example, when I look at what's happening with climate, I mean, the people that care deeply are not just concerned about for now, but for future generations. And I admire that sense of, well, I'm not going to be here, but we need to take care of this now for our children and our grandchildren.
I had mentioned earlier about being frugal, definitely an activist. So many of my friends are activists, and they're going to come out to a meeting. They're going to write letters, and I believe it's because we have the time. I definitely don't remember doing this when I was in my 40s, because I was working at a career and I still had to watch out for the children. So I think as we got older, we definitely were involved in trying to make the world a better place.
Whatever aisle you fall into politically, there is this basic belief in equal rights that people have. There's almost no one who will say they don't believe in equal rights. The other thing is that I find when I look around to people with children, there's this real extreme loyalty to their children and the want to make their children's lives as best they can and as barrier free as they can.
The other thing that I don't think that I've mentioned is this sense in the baby boomer generation that we are always young and that we do not age. We really believe that we will stay young forever, and whatever young means. We've worked really hard on being healthy. We've quit smoking. We quit taking drugs. We really start thinking about a lot of other kinds of things that we've really started thinking about our bodies and how we can keep those healthy, at least within, I'm not saying certainly for everybody that that's the case, but I do think that that's been a push within our generation to think about food co-ops and nutrition in ways that maybe hadn't been considered in our parents' generation.